Good morning, everybody. My name is Casey Burnett. We're going to do a 6-part video series about starting a savings group. This is something that's very important in community development, and it's important for you to watch this so you can understand how you can start a savings group with your own employees, or maybe a group in your family, or a group of farmers. And this is a way to have access to credit that is better than going to a bank, it's better than going to an outside institution. And it's a very creative and very effective way to help develop people's financial capabilities. So I have my friend Renel Dakanai, and he's going to be doing this training. We did this for our own employees, and so far it's been really good. So let us know your feedback. Please like and subscribe to the channel so you can be updated when we release the following episodes. It's going to be a total of 6 episodes. This is episode 5 of 6.
Session 5 of the Basic Savings Mobilization Training. To address of course, not all of you were able to experience the first-hand information of what are we doing right now, what are we doing here, why are we doing this in every 3 to 5 in the afternoon. So what is savings and all of that? Probably some of them are questioning, what is this? We thought we are here to work. How come we have this 3 o'clock savings? No work, no pay ba ang trabaho? Tama? You cannot receive salary if you don't work, right? So, if you don't receive salary, that means you don't have anything to bring home. You cannot buy rice, you cannot buy food for your loved ones. 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 verse 10, it says again, even while we were with you, we gave you this rule. Whoever does not work should not eat. I will share this through experience. This is how I was brought up. No? Tatlo kaming magkakapatid. We're the 3 of us. I am the eldest. Then next to me is a sister, and then the third one is our youngest brother. Our father doesn't want us to sit down in the dining table if you cannot answer his question, what have you done today? We were brought like that from elementary, high school, and on. My task is firewood and marketing. My younger sister cleaning the house and dishwashing. Our youngest is fetching water. If you sit down at the dining, and then our father would ask, what did you do today? And then you cannot answer anything because you did not do anything. Then stand up and go elsewhere. Do not eat. So at first, I was aggravated. At first, I planted this hatred in my father because I did not understand. But later, he told me, the world is not fair. The world is not kind. Nobody will give you rice, nobody will give you food. Unless you work, you will not earn a living. I am training you right now because I don't know until when me and your mama will be alive. And no one will teach you that. I want you to survive even if we are already gone from this world. So that lesson was really dear to me. And even up to now, me and your Atilang lang is incorporating that in our child raising also. Not necessarily as brutal, of course, as my father, because of one thing that I experienced that I cannot forget even up to now is my father targeted me with fork. Kasi I have to pull it out. Ganon siya kabutang. Nauna na akong kumain, di pa siya nagtanong eh. Siyempre kain ako ng kain. Kumaga, you deceived me. Why did you eat? You have done nothing. Talaga yung tinido. Di ko malimutan grade 6. So it leaves a mark. At first talagang it's really, even to the point I planted the hatred because it was negative. I did not saw the positive lesson. I saw only the act that I was ganun siya kabutal. I need to be hard on you because if I will not do this, you will take the lesson lightly. Yun yung sinabi niya. Pero dumating sa point na I said to my father, kung nagtulog ron, dunggabon ka dito. I did that. And later ko na na-realize that I have made those wrong statement. And right now, siguro kung makita nyo kami by God's blessing na you would see me and my father coming together, baka masabi mo na, kasi grabe ka close, no? We are best of friends right now. Different from before. So, because of that perspective. So, I know, sometimes it's like that also with regards to saving. Some of us, why? What's this? Ano to? I'm here to work. How come this sidetrack? I'm here to work. And then sometimes it takes a regular hours because I'm supposed to be here until 4, and then here comes the savings. As of now, endure. But later, I assure you, you will appreciate. It's for you. I tell you what we are doing right now, you have it for free. You did not pay me for anything. FYI, for your information, savings mobilization training cost 45,000, 3 days. You did not pay anything. It's a gift. Because your employer wanted you to become successful, get out of the rat race. So, hindi niyo Tapos, dito, hindi tayo nag-move forward. We are not moving forward without you understanding every point by point. In usual savings mobilization seminar, the group will be paying 45,000. I don't care if they understood or what. As long as I did the 3 days. As long as they put me in hotel, as long as I have this food, as long as there is a hatid sundo, I'm okay with that. If they don't have that, it will increase to 60 to 70,000. But you did not have it here. You have it for free. Wow. We will have the work now, continuation of policy making. Okay, so yesterday, building savings mobilization policy. Okay, so these are the things we already have names, right?
Yes.
Ano yan? Golden Unity Savings Cooperative. Okay. So, okay, at least so at least Okay, so okay na tayo dito. We are fine with it. So, the next will be membership. So, when it comes to membership, these are the questions. Kinsa ang mga mahimong maka-appeal sa Savings Mobilization Group? Is it open for all? Is it limited for who? For what?
Can I add to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm speaking as a member, not as your
Employer.
boss. What our goal with this is to show you how to do this, how to have this with your own money, because we know we're going to pay you regular, so you can use this money to actually do very well. The second reason we want to do this is because you're going to learn how to start your own groups in the future, or if we want to start farmer savings groups with farmers that we work with, we can send you to train them. Okay, we want people to learn. We want you to learn how to teach it as well. With that being said, we trust you. You're here. So if you've been in this training, whether it's an employee or one of our scholars or Renell or kids, like everybody's been a part of this meeting. So you know what you should expect of any member of this group. For that reason, I would suggest do not open it up to anyone else for at least a year. Do it as a group. Work with it, grow it. If you have new employees, like let's say we hire somebody else, we can open that to new employees if they watch the videos I've been recording. That's my suggestion. So if you agree with that, that's great. If not, I respect it. But that's my suggestion, and also Judas.
So, based on Casey's statement, as a member, his suggestion, membership should be at least for all who are present in the training. Why? Easy management.
Yeah.
We will experience difficulty and argument even if we are all into this training. How much more difficult in agreement with regards to the members who are not experiencing this training? You might have suggestion, you might have idea, and then here comes a lack of information member who keep on holding back, who keep on opposing your idea and all. So that will be, aside from that, based on that statement, grow with the project. Start small. Then time would come as you grow, as you know how to manage, then that's the time you can expand or make your own. Because this information, this learning, this skill will not be taken away from you anymore. You will have it. You can start with your family, you can start with your friends, you can start with your community, you can start with your church or whatever. Okay? So that's one suggestion. He said that for him as a member of the group, in terms of membership, Golden Unity Savings Cooperative will cater only members that were present during the training. We will not open it yet to outsiders. So yun yung suggestion. So what do you think? Yes, Rhea. So any suggestion? That was just a suggestion yet. That's not yet a final decision.
Yeah.
Okay? That was the suggestion number 1. Membership of the Golden Unity Savings Cover will be exclusive for those members or employees that have already attended the seminars. Why? At least we are on the same boat with regards to intellect regarding savings. At least we have already the same perspective with regards to purpose. We have the same perspective with regards to how should the money be provided and all. So these are the things. So yun yung kasi sinabi niya yung why, di ba? Pero sinabi pala ang dapat pala nun is how, who. Pero at least sinabi na ang why. Pero at least na yun. Aside from that, so don't be intimidated. We are talking about savings right now. So there's no employer and employee right now. Okay? This is a business meeting. We are partners. You are sir and moms too. Okay? So, sinong gumawa ng assignment? Any membership? So, that was the suggestion. Okay. Sige.
Mas okay gihapon ta na ni Sir Del. Then kung kaya na nato mo handle na mas-grow ang atang member sir, siguro after 1 year
Okay.
na-off na
At least
na-handle na nako sir, then makaya na nato sila og trade, siguro mag-add
Okay. So, para sa imo ha, moto gyapon siya. Napay lain nga suggestion aside from ato, I mean in terms of membership, unya na tong mga reason aside from exclusive employee related personnel that were present during the training time. Any idea regarding sa membership? Don't be shy. Instead, be a Canadian citizen, yes.
Yeah,
Sir.
I think everyone agrees sa concept ni Sir Casey since everyone understands the situation.
Sige.
Kailangan
So,
ko na to some factors sa company. We're not just, we're talking about sa savings group, but it's still attached on the company. So there's some factor that we need to consider. That's why most of us agree.
sige. Okay. Can someone bring the whiteboard marker here in front? Okay, membership. So, Can we agree on that? Exclusive for people who have attended the Savings Mobilization Seminar. So, do we have other suggestion aside from that? So, can we go for votation? So, who are in favor for this suggestion? Just raise your hand.
Ah, tanan, yay! 21?
Lula ni Nuna.
21.
So, ang press, madya man nato may bala ng percent. Ang agree, pila? 20. 23 daw. Wala na po ang absent. 21. Kaya present ang absent. Butang man itong absent kay para sa recording. Absent kay duha.
Agreed by 20.
So ang agree, so ang nag-vote for so officially the reason for the membership or the membership will be exclusive for next purpose of savings. So what will be the purposes? Okay, sige. Business engagement.
There you go.
So business engagement daw. Wala. Tama to, Sir Jan? Access to credit. So, access to credit, what kind of credit? We will quantify. What kind of credit? Is it personal, emergency, educational, business loan? Mag-invest na ka, gusto na ka mag-expand sa imong business. Okay, any question?
So far, sir.
I mean objection or omission, do we or adoption of our idea. So there are two reasons for or two purposes. We have the business loan and the access to credit and loan. So loans are quantified in 4 based on suggestion. We have emergency loan, of course, pag nanganak yung aso ng kapitbahay.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Does business engagement,
Personal loan, okay, yes, sir.
does that include, like, in that wording, does that include dividends?
No, not yet.
Okay, you need to make sure you include that. Because you want to receive dividends after everybody's maxed their shares, right?
It's benefit by the purpose of savings lang.
I just want to make sure you get,
Yeah.
you know,
Later.
Yeah.
Insurance? Di man ma-quadri. Later, time would come if the income is already big enough to suffice the financial support or benefits for the members. All members are free of, let's say, health insurances for 1 year as long as he or she is active, life insurance for 1 year as long as he is pwede na siya after na pero as of now magikan pa sa inyong bulsa ayo unya na pagkato ng ganang siya later na to para ganahan mo mabili return for to. Okay? So, do we have additional idea or can we close the... Yes, sir.
Utilization is included sa emergency.
Yes. When we say emergency, that health emergency, okay, health emergency, butang.
Kasi emergency kay Juliet sa lahat utang mo.
Dili. Health emergency, butang. Lisa na to, ano na lang, benefits parenthesis na lang.
Medical loan.
Medical lang. Like, halimbawa, nasakit ka or nasakit imuhang loved one, nakikot so, I need to borrow because my mother is like this. So, and then, wala kayo. Calamity loan. Can we? Calamity loan. Let's say, for example, there will be the members will be affected by calamity by tapos yeah, it includes the emergency. At least the reason why I did not close there because I wanted all the ideas and all the inputs coming from each one. Any more question, idea, violent reaction? None? Okay. Can we adopt this? Can we go to votation? Or in favor of these purposes, of these savings? Oh, the same. 20 over 20 over 2. Oh, grabe ah. Yes.
Ayaw.
Anel.
Emergency divorce, sir.
Same amount ra ang imong pwede malong or naaslay ka na specific nga minimum.
Same, pag moabot na ta sa katong credit scheme, we will discuss the how much are we going to release. So dito pa man siya makuanan, so karon nagkuan siya. Pero most likely based on the savings group that were already existing, to save the welfare of the majority, most likely maximum of 90% of your total savings. Meaning, if you have saved 10,000, you can loan as much as 9,000. Why?
My question is, for example, personal loan
Yes.
o educational loan. Simple.
Yes.
Personal and educational ang lain na sila buwan.
All loan categories will be provided with bracket of amount. You are going to check how much are you going to and how much is qualified for you. Example, you save 10,000 sample, pero you only need 3,000. So you are going to check what type of amount or specify there how much, and then it will go to the loan department and they will verify if you are qualified or not. Then if you qualify, then validate how much have you saved, how much is your principal contribution, and then when the credit application will be approved, will be the fund available at present, like that. So i-check man siya. So we are going to do that. So with regards to that, generally speaking, all of this you can apply 90% of your savings. You cannot go beyond.
At once or
Yeah, pwede. Well, if you need that once, yes.
no, kung ibutang na to, nakaloan ako sa personal loan karong adlaw dahil ugma educational loan.
Yeah. Pwede. Yes, as long as total niya 90%.
Total niya. Personal loan 90% ito.
Sobra na kasi mong principal. O lugi. Halimbawa, example, what if you will not pay?
Yeah, true.
The security of tenure there is that the amount that you have saved will be automatically deducted as your payment if you do not pay. So, meaning, walay loss sa organization.
Just to clarify everyone, Pastor.
Right?
Kaya kasi 1 week ba, educational business 90%.
Total. What we have learned the last session, no savings, no credit. Can we proceed? Okay, number 3. Purpose, okay na, no? Number 4 na. Okay. Amount and frequency of savings. So, this will be, what will be the amount and frequency of savings? So, in order for us to have an easy idea of how are we going to do this, these are the guide questions, okay? So, there are guide questions. Di na move. Okay, 1. Pag mag-isgot taog amount and frequency of how much should each member save? Yes, sir.
So, when we did the financial education with you, and we talked about your debts, and we talked about emergency funds, what would be a safe number for 6 months of savings, like to cover your expenses? So, for me, the goal would be for everybody to have 6 months of savings in here. Whether you do it with your own money or whether over a year or so we roll that money over to where everybody has enough after a few years to where you have, if you got sick and you couldn't work, you got the value in here to cover yourself. That's the goal. So, I don't know what that number was, 25,000, 30,000, something like that, or is that too low or high? I don't know.
Based on your how much each member should save. What will be the flooring and what will be the ceiling? Realistic sa imuha na kung naay mahitabo, I can borrow this much. Like example, I have a scenario here. Last week, Judith shared to me that she already released your salaries but in check. Because some of you cannot open a bank account and wasn't able to because of ID,
Yeah,
Or the
yeah.
holiday or something like that. Pero most likely it's because of the ID. Pero I tell you, you just need to increase your information regarding that. Why? Because LG opened her bank account at the age of 9 using her grade 3 school ID.
Which bank?
ONB.
Video.
Video.
BDO?
Yeah.
Partner DA cool. I'm telling you, I can't get an account yet.
I mean sa ila ba? Sa ila.
Maybe.
Yeah, sa ila ba? They said that it's difficult daw. Pero I think no. Yeah, kung ID lang inyong requirements, no, I believe you are all students. So meaning you can. So how much should each member save? That is one question. Second question, how often will be that
Wala siya kwanti ba?
every meeting ba, every week, or open date ba siya? Bisan og wala pay meeting,
Yeah.
muhatag siya, kaya as long as na siya budget, ano ba, how often? At least, required na to every payday na, pero we can save even if it's not yet payday, we will accept. At least required every payday.
It's just gonna be recorded. It's gonna be recorded and updated on the meetings.
Yeah.
It'll be recorded
Yeah.
throughout in real time, but
Yeah.
reported at meetings.
Open day.
Open date.
Every payday is kaning kwan siya kanang mandatory. No, dili mandatory. Kaya pag mo yung mandatory, what if dili ko gusto?
Oh, come on.
So open date is
Open date lang.
Open date lang siguro.
open date.
So anyway, ayaw, boto man ta.
I-open date siya, basta kayo payday.
Now, how often?
Every payday, okay ba to? In brackets, optional.
Ayan. Then,
Siya, basta every payday.
should the contribution be in cash or in kind or both? Okay, example, si Carl Anthony, sample naa siya dragon fruit. Nakita na ko sa coral ganiha. Okay.
Laban kayo.
Bayabas. What if wala siya cash? Pero nag-grow ang iyang dragon fruit. What if dadon niya ang dragon fruit nga instead ibalik niya? Oh.
Well, no. Well,
I need this. May interest eh.
like if it's form of
Oo, may interest palit.
Cash on.
Cash na daw, Pastor.
If you were a farmers group, you would do in kind because the farmers could bring their crops as cash
Yeah.
Yeah.
equipment. But because we're not currently farmers.
So,
So,
cash.
Butang lang we will just put it by for votation.
Okay.
So at least that is the suggestion.
Cash or
Cash,
Gcash,
in kind, both.
Gcash, Gcash.
Gcash pa lang.
One night.
Both. So, yan. So,
Well, you may want to include cash, both electronic and physical.
yeah. For example, sa mo di man may listen mo drive lang may dire just for the sake of what? Tapos di ba? Mas dako pa ang gasto ba? 1.5 ang among back and forth sa tubig.
100 lang
O niya ang isave kay 200. Okay, so how often? So let's start voting. How much? Wala pa tong how much. How much would be?
Ay,
How much should the member save? O dito, how much? O sige, let's start with the who will vote open date or every day?
payday!
payday!
Taas ka mo!
In favor sa every payday.
Taas ka mo!
How often?
Clarification.
At the can we suggest minimum frequency? Like at least once a month makahatag yun. Kaya na may upan nga di yun mo hatag.
Open day. Open day.
Kamo kag open date, basig di siya mo hatag. Basig next month na. Base na na ba? So,
Hindi, kuha.
Pero mga twice a month, payday, twice a month. Open days, pero every payday.
okay, open date siya pero at least once a month. At least minimum.
Once
So,
at least
regardless
once a
sa
month,
maximum, bahala.
Okay. Then during the payday.
Sir, pwede ka na.
Yes.
Open date siya pero dapat sa isa atin gikan sir ba nga dapat sa isa ka man kay makuha to siya nga once a month gini.
Specific, wala pa
Awat mo
matawag.
to how much?
Oh.
Kasi sa
Kapag
once a
pasabot,
month ko.
ma-address na to yung mga kuhan nga. Pero actually, realistic man siya. This is what we do. It's, we cannot control the how much manggod. I mean, pag may yung tag how much every payday, ang atong how much lang is kung sa iyang max, how much will be the flooring and ceiling. But with regards to the amount during maybe karon medyo gipit ka wala kay ka na 100 lang pero what if next time mo hatag kag 500 as long as na atong minimum or minimum of maximum sige di minimum and maximum bot pa sa total na dili na tong kuan so kumbaga mao na siya imong target nga as a member this will be the saving kumbaga imong share asset share capital ko ba? Dili. Sa entire ko
So you know how much of a share? What's the difference in like let's say you set it at 5,000 or 30,000? What's that like? Let's say somebody only has 3,000 or 500 pesos or 100 pesos, whatever it is. Why would it matter to put a cap, or why would it matter to put a minimum?
to help them get out of the benefit the most. Like example, if we are only encouraging her or him to save minimum, of course, the maximum benefit in terms of loan is very low. The purpose also of maximum, we limit maximum amount so that it will not be monopolized by one person.
So all right. So let's say the goal is to have everybody to have enough saving for
Yeah.
6 months. Okay, let's just put a number on that. Let's say 30,000. Okay, let's say 30,000 is the maximum or the minimum. If it's the maximum, that means that let's say you save more than 30,000. You can't save more than 30,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yeah.
can't invest more than 30,000.
Yeah.
That's more than half.
So that like some people may once it's doing good, they may want to invest more than 30,000.
Okay, the problem is like this. This is for 1 year as what you have suggested. The purpose of putting maximum is that what if you save 30,000 and some of them are saving only 15,000, 10,000 like that. And then your money as a cooperative was not able to engage in business.
Yeah.
Some of it are all only sleeping.
So okay, let's say person A saved 30,000.
Yeah.
Let's say there's 10 members. Okay, 10 members. One person saved 30,000 or put in 30,000. One person put in 500. At the end of the year, let's say you made 100,000 peso net profit. Okay.
Yes.
There's only 10 shares. It doesn't matter if you got 30,000 or 500, right?
Come again?
So, what I'm saying is the dividend would actually benefit the person that invested less if it's equally
No.
split over the shares.
We will discuss that later with regards to how the interest will be computed. Like.
Okay,
So example, we will add all the capital like this. Na it's not equal by I say we have here 20
Yeah.
present. Say we will add ha. Okay, I need to help. I need your cell phone. Okay. Okay, these are the two at least. Okay, we will just have two sa para at least mga 3. What if Ronel okay, person A, Ronel save 30,000. Okay? Japet is person B save 20,000. And then Rhea, what if Rhea only save 5,000? How much is that total? 55. Oh, 55. Get the percentage of the 3. How many percent is that from the total? So at least makabalo mo. Pila?
16,000.
So he
No,
owns
percentage.
he owns 0.5%.
Pila?
He owns 54%.
Oh, and then after 1 year, they earn 100,000 pesos. What is the 54% of 100,000?
54,000.
Oh, yun yung masave niya.
54,000.
Then, 5,000 siya. Pila lang man ang 5,000 sa 55. How many percent is 5,000 of the 55?
Oh.
I know, 10,000. 10,000.
10,000.
Yes, how many is the 10,000 of the... Pila?
0.82.
Oh, times 100. Pila? 18,000.
18,000.
Oh, so, they vary.
Proportion.
Yeah, proportion. If you're thinking that, oh no, baka sabihin mo, lugi ka, no. Ito, because it's proper. The more you become diligent, the more you become in savings.
So make the minimum one everybody put in like 100 pesos.
Yeah.
So, ang flooring,
What about that?
4,000.
We are still here.
So I thought you moved down.
Yeah. Hey, sorry, sir, man.
Sorry.
Ay, nakuha. Okay, however, yun yung example lang. Pero, ganito yun. We have administrative personnel. Like, Homer and Jan already went to the market a while ago just to purchase this. So, meaning, they are working group. We have already the treasurer and we have the secretary. They're working already. So, in fact, in the 100,000 profit or net income for the whole year, so we will agree how many percentage will be cut off and be allocated for the operator's incentive. So, ibig sabihin, let's say, 25% will be given to the operators instead of salary. As of now, we don't have salary, right? But you are working already. So meaning, after auditing, after the distributing, so you will be given, the 75% will be divided among the operators. And then, as members, so the remaining 75,000, that will be divided according to your percentage. Walang libre dito. Nagtatrabaho kayo eh. By the way, this is just an encouragement. I believe
Kasi may ano, si 175% is divide sa numbers of work.
Oh, it will, the 25% will be divided in the number of those who are working. Regarding sa working committee, working group chairman and all, we will have that later. The members will be voting for that. So, in terms of amount and frequency of savings, so how often? Every payday.
Oh, everything daw.
Sino ka suggest?
5-6
Who suggested it?
Kung payday, ano sila, 15 or 30?
Once every
So,
payday.
depend
Oh,
Once
mana
every
po?
payday.
optional. So, kung ang deadline po, ana, yun, for every...
Dapat, ang purpose man na at least naagyo once a month yun na. Minimum na ginawa, at least once a month na makasave yun ka. Pero with regards to, kung gusto ka magkaduha, if you wanted to save more, wala problema. Pero at least, we will encourage once a month, you can save.
Kung hindi ko dapat ma-zerohan ang kanang abulan.
It's for your own good. It's not for the savings, it's not for me. It's for you. Just like what Pastor Algie said a while ago, famine will not inform you when it happens. So, the more you save, last week, we were reminded of the story of the ant and the grasshopper. Right? Open day.
Open date ko ta
Di, once a month, pero bahala siya kung
once a month open. 20 ba?
oh, murag wala. Laro nga.
20.
Dami, kung ano yung bot ninyo.
Pero dapat naani siya, one kay nag-suggest.
Dami, wala.
Ano siya?
Ano yung one?
Sige, respetaran na to.
Ano lang sa ngayon?
Every payday.
Di, ano, it will become biased during the reporting if you put it here
Lagi.
20 and then somebody suggested it.
Di kami
Then
ni
how come there's no
Kami ni Mahal ang every payday.
18 na rin eh.
Kami ni Mahal.
Oy, anong kumpanya?
Yes, ang sabot dahil yung grade 1. 17 na lang na ang open date.
One na yun.
1.
Okay, i-record. Ikot man eh. Appeal man eh sa
Yan na absent
reporting.
20 kayo. Duha si Ma'am.
This will be part of the reporting. So, it will be biased. If you wanted to report it for registry, like in SEC or in cooperative, it will be biased.
Yeah.
Okay, so cash. So, mode of payment.
Cash.
Magpalit ay naman eh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
16.
Apil ako ba store?
Oh, dito ka ita 16.
Depende sa imo gud.
Kain. Wala na may butang doon nito.
Oh, no?
Dapat wala gyud siya. Wala gyud.
17.
Ano na situation ba?
Kasi sa
Both.
bowl.
Oy, kaysa lang magbutar.
1, 2.
Tama.
Electronic.
Wala. Ha? Gold ka, so wala na rin.
So duha ko gibo. Duha ko gibutuhan.
Dili isa lang mo.
Isa lang ako gibutuhan pero lang sa lang go.
Kani, bowl.
Ah.
Ikaw.
Wala ka sinabi.
Kita na in kind. 16, 17, 18, 19.
Dapat na siya.
Na, kay
Sa bata
Wala
ka.
isa.
Oh, sige, store.
One na lang.
Hindi bias pa mo.
Taga
Tuloy na yung absent.
Ah. Okay, in how much, be realistic, how much is the maximum that you can use for business up as of now?
You mean of the total amount?
Yeah.
What percentage
Yeah.
you use for a business?
I mean, the total amount needed to run the business first. Wala pa labot ang, it doesn't include the loan budget yet. Ha? As much as possible, we will start with the selling. So, trading. Why? Because through it, you will be able to learn that, I don't need to loan, mandi ay. My income is already sufficient. The point is, we need to be realistic on the total amount. Kaya what if your client is members lang? Tapos dako kay mong kapital, namoy 100,000, tapos ang inyong gina-comprise 10,000 ra ang 90 natulog, bro. Diba?
If
Yes,
you will
sir.
set maximum
Yeah.
amount karon, pwede pa na tanan in the next year.
Yes.
Ato
Yeah.
change into
As what
Justin,
based on the membership, based on the idea niya, we will start with it 1 year and we will observe and grow with it.
okay.
So what are the applicable, what are needs to be revised, what are the omissions?
So we're talking about karon lang.
Karon lang ta. So for a start, how much will be? The purpose of knowing so that we can divide it among the
Yeah.
members that will be, ito yung maximum mo ito yung minimum.
All right. So when you say how much in 1 year, the question is not how much your share is. The question is what percentage of the overall pie should be dedicated to business activity.
We are talking on how much are we going to save per member
Okay.
each. Not yet the dividend. We haven't reached that yet. Yes. Sige.
Ayaw mo yung itabungutan na sir ba is, ang 1 year, ang date namin ngayon is January to December, di ba?
Fiscal year.
Fiscal year.
Oo, kay mga tagaw ka ng dividend. Pero ingon na nung ganina, makatagyan mo tayo.
Okay. We started June. So basically, our first is June.
June, next year. 1 year.
So this year, it's up to us to decide that our first is we will have an auditing and distribution of dividend by December. Then by next year, we will start January.
Oh, December.
And we will entertain. There's a question here.
What if mag-resign na si
Okay.
empleyado?
Okay.
Out na ba siya or panay yapon?
Okay. If the member will resign or if the member will not be an employee anymore. So the question of Princess, what will happen? So most likely, in order to safeguard the interest of the entire okay, what we do is kung gusto niya nga i-withdraw iyang membership, it will take at least 2 weeks so that we are going to compute kung pila yung share, dili man kay capital lang, na naman siya yung share, na naman siya yung dividend for the Then, aside from that, only 95% will be returned to that person. 5% will be charged for service charge kay compute ikuan man ko tanan. 95%. So, there's a question. What if he will resign from the work or he will be terminated from the work, but he is still willing to be part of the savings? So what will be
We
the,
will go back to our membership policy.
what was the membership policy?
That only,
Exclusive lang.
yeah, exclusive only for the employee.
No, it was
Those
People.
You attended training. Meaning, despite inactive inactive employee ni ka or dili na ka employee, but you were able to attend the training, so it's up, pwede ka mo padayon. Yes, sir.
Siguro, pwede po ta mag-set of policy na sa kanang senaryo. Pwede ta ipa-design nato ang team.
Oh.
Ato pa siyang ipabilin sa kay namang ko'y senaryo nga nawala siya sa pang-empleyado in bad term.
Ah,
So, we need to totally remove sa ato.
okay, ang relational.
So, we need everyone to decide or do an election. Are we
Or-
gonna let him stay or not?
O, kumbaga, basin-basin ba o nagbulag singon ani, singon ana? Ah, yeah.
So,
Yeah, basi mag-cost pa o kwan pa.
Oo, tapos like makautang siya, niya.
Tinatay mo
Wala siya
pa.
makagilap, kaya hindi na makabayad.
So, see, minimum and maximum, as of now, realistic, suggestion. 10K? Ano man na, minimum?
Maximum.
Maximum.
just for the whole?
Whole
Tama
year.
sa December.
Ay, December.
Until December?
Tama December.
O, sabot pasabot, mo to imong target, wala nagpasabot ka kasahon na, so at least na kay idea na kutob ka na, so mag-save mo, mag-save ko. Goal. So, ang suggestion ni Rhea, for minimum, maximum. Maximum is, so wala na yung minimum.
Magputang gyapon pa sa.
Magbutang ng minimum.
Oo.
Magbutang ang
kasi
minimum, kaya
project
basi
na
kang uban, di gusto mo save.
Ah.
Eh, magsulti na lang kung diretso, so mag-gisag-gidi ko
Minimum 5,000. Ay,
Dili.
Minimum
5,000
5,000.
Ah, suggestion, 5,000 minimum.
Ah, sige.
So at least na,
1,500.
at least ba kayo, lain kayo, muutang siya, unya di. Tama siya may utang mo, kung wala siya. Dili ba yan mo? Sige, 5,000 minimum.
Minimum of
10,000 maximum.
10,000 maximum. Any suggestion?
I think if you save, I think you should raise it maybe to 12 because there's 12 months. Max
No, until December lang.
December.
At walang sa, I mean for the first.
Yeah, for the first.
Because they wanted it to be audited
Okay.
and financial reporting and giving out dividend by December. Kaya ang lechon ba? Ang lechon.
Ang party by.
Just for this year. And then next year, it's 12 months. So we will start at January.
Sa minimum 1,000.
2,500.
Oh, na minimum 1,000 daw.
2,500 yung simento.
Per share na kami mga bat. Per share. Oo, kami mga babata.
Maximum. 30,000.
Oh, suggestion ni Sir Casey, maximum 30,000.
Awat yun. Tulo kalikson. Tulo kalikson ba? How about the flooring?
I'm okay with the south.
Yeah.
Just want to make it where everybody can get in.
Yeah.
See a little.
Nakakita mo kuhan sa flooring.
Closing?
15.
Ay, mo.
Ano sa?
Asa mo yun?
Maximum.
Maximum.
15.
At least na-grade siya.
I close the nomination.
Oh, very good.
Devotion.
Yes. See, wala problema.
Kano sana mag-insert ka kayo? Or
Effective ka ron kung after mabuot natin eh.
After tong mga ano na to na
Oh, kato, apil na to siya.
yapin na to.
Oh,
Dugang na to siya.
Dugang na to. Minimum saving.
Minimum daw.
Who are in
4,000.
favor for 5,000?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Sige, 1,000 lang.
Award! 1,000.
1,000. G, ano pa na?
1,
1,000 kalikson.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 na lagi mo.
Ayaw kayo.
Kami 21
Well,
mo karon.
minimum na to 1,000. Pero at least kabalo mo nga as ko na ang discretion sa inyo kung 1,000 na pag kay kung mana may emergency ang inyo ra yung pahiram is 900. O na ra gyud na sa inyo.
You absent.
Di ba? Okay? O sige, dili na
Dili
tayo
sa
sa maximum.
maximum.
Who are in favor for 10,000?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9.
Ay, wala ko na-count. Sorry, pasaylo ay. Medyo nilabad ang ulo.
Sa asa ka ba? 10 ba?
Dili kay
9. 9 lang 9.
30.
30.
Oh, lower 3. 4. 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. 50,000. 1, 2, 3. 20.
Ako.
Ako mag-suggest.
Ay.
2.
Ikaw nag-suggest ang 20? Yun nga, ikaw kunin.
So, meaning, if you want it to grow,
Hi.
you will be encouraged to involve this money
Okay.
for business transaction.
I thought it was.
So that it will grow, so that you can have
6 months
something.
naman.
Start pa man.
Yeah.
Sige, 10,000 ang maximum.
Okay, so, okay na. Sa collection, in terms of collection, so there's a guide question. Who will collect the savings from members? I suggest there will be an official collector officer tapos na ay assistant kay just in case
Official.
wala siya.
Official.
Any nominees for the collector? Si Princess.
Fully nominated via
Rhea. Collector.
Assistant Mix.
assistant kay si Mayan.
Yan.
Okay, napay
I
suggestion.
move to close.
Ay mo.
Seconded.
Napay, suggestion pa.
Liza.
Liza.
Collector.
Si Madi.
May assistant si Rian.
Tumali.
Rian Joy.
John.
Ran. Yapit din sa assistant. Oh, sige. Ay, close na conversation.
Ano, Japet?
Sige, we will
Sorry,
we will first decide for the collector. Who will be in favor for Rhea?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Orally.
10. Yay, Mati! Woo! Mati!
Ito yung review, ha?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lapat, Mati!
Yan.
1, 2,
Ito mo
Para sa 5. Regarding that, wala man ko kay ko'y personal kuan sa inyo. Wala ko'y idea. So, I have to...
Kaya Teria, collector.
Pwede pa mag-limited siya sa
Na-close
Na-close na. You're too late.
Pero pwede rin yun po. Mag-object for kuan.
Nominate na po si Liza sa para sa assistant.
Ay, Mati, laban.
Sir, I close the nomination.
Sige, wala na. O, kinsay in favor kay May Ann.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pastor, muhangyo sa pastor, ikaw padayon
Oh,
sa
padayon ka sa board
sa
assistant.
kaning pa. Ito mo po ka Rhea.
Matay ka, Mati. Kabot mo,
Rhea. 0.
Sila, Japet. Ginaditsong mo dia. Japet.
1.
Kaman, 1, 2. Sir.
Liza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Mati, si Mati.
Should the collectors be given incentive? Yeah. Yes or
Yes.
yes or no?
Yes.
Who are in favor for yes?
Yes. I-arrange yan.
Yes.
Incentive.
21.
As of now, I wanted to discuss this, but I know it's already 5 o'clock, so we will have the other policies that need to be polished tomorrow.
Thanks for watching these videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can be updated the next video that we have come out. And please watch all 6 episodes. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at casey@ghostedit.org, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot.